Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Kerry Anderson. Hope you all doing well. In today's video, I'll be talking about the 7 back pain conditions that mainly affect women. So if you like the video related to my health, my way, I would like to request you all please do subscribe the channel. Hit the bell icon or give thumbs up so that I will come up with more and more videos with lots and lots of information. So here we begin. Let's go. 7 back pain conditions that mainly affect women. Several conditions are more common and can be exclusive in women. Back pain related problems are typically seen in the post menopausal age above 50 years. So, the first one is piriformis syndrome, pain originating from spasms in your piriformis muscle. A large muscle located deeply in the buttock is called piriformis syndrome. Women are affected more due to hormone and pregnancy related changes in the pelvis. Piriformis syndrome often causes irritation or compression on the sciatic nerve, mimicking sciatica pain. Piriformis syndrome may cause chronic pain in the buttock and hip area that is worsened by hip movement. Pain when you get out of bed, inability to sit for a long time, radiating pain in the back of your thigh and leg. The symptoms typically get better when you lie on your back. Then it comes to the second one, sacroiliac joint dysfunction. Pain from your sacroiliac joint that connects the bottom of your spine to your pelvis is called sacroiliac joint dysfunction or sacroiliitis. SI joint problems are among the more common causes of lower back pain. Women typically have a smaller SI joint surface area compared to men, resulting in a higher concentration of stresses across the joint. The sacrum is also wider, more uneven, less curved, and tilted more backward in women, which may cause problems in the SI joint. These factors and several other anatomical differences can lead to a higher risk of SI joint misalignment, especially in younger women. SI joint dysfunction can also cause sciatica like symptoms. Common features include lower back pain, a dull or achy pain directly over the buttock, which may occasionally flare into a sharp pain, a sharp stabbing or shooting pain down your thigh, typically not going past your knee. Then it comes to the third one, spinal osteoarthritis, wear and tear arthritis of the facet joint that connect your vertebrae is common in women. The risk is more with an increase in age and or weight. Spinal osteoarthritis causes the breakdown of the fibrous cartilage in the facet joint. Without a cushioning provided by the cartilage, your bones may rub together, causing pain. Osteoarthritis of the lower back can cause pain in your upper or lower back, groin, buttocks, and thighs. Back stiffness and pain in the morning, occasional flares of severe pain. The pain may occur on one side of your back, increase when external pressure is applied, or be relieved when you bend the spine forward. Now, the fourth one, degenerative spondylolisthesis. When a vertebra in your spine slips over the one below it due to degeneration, it is called degenerative spondylolisthesis. The condition is more common in postmenopausal women due to lower levels of estrogen. When estrogen is low, there is increased degradation of the vertebral disc and loosening of the ligaments that hold the vertebrae together, causing spinal instability. There is also a higher chance of associated spinal osteoarthritis among this age group, increasing the risk of vertebral slippage. Degenerative spondylolisthesis can cause lower back pain with radiating pain in your legs. Neurogenic claudication, pain while walking. If the spinal cord gets compressed, pain relief is typically experienced when you bend forward. The fifth one, tailbone pain. Pain in the tail end of your spine occurs largely due to trauma. The condition is more common in women due to the difference in the shape and angle of the pelvis and from injury during childbirth. So they serve as a weight-bearing support while you sit. An injury to this region can cause pain while sitting down, leaning partly backward while sitting on hard surface, standing up from a seated poster. Then it comes to the sixth part, endometriosis. Endometriosis is a gynecological disorder that affects women exclusively. The condition causes the tissues of the uterus to grow outside the womb. Typical symptoms include painful menstrual cycle with severe pelvic and lower abdominal pain, pain in the genital region, lower back pain, especially during menstruation. The pelvic and or back pain may become chronic with the flaring during menses. The seventh one, spinal osteoporosis fractures. When the density of your bone decreases, making it brittle and susceptible to fracture. The condition is called osteoporosis. Osteoporosis occurs when there's a higher rate of bone loss compared to new bone formation. Women in the postmenopausal age are 4 times more likely to develop osteoporosis than men. This disparity may be due to deficiency of the estrogen hormone, loss of bone at a younger age, and loss of bone at a more rapid pace. Then it comes to an acute localized back pain that occurs typically in your mid back or region between the mid and lower back. The pain may spread in front and be confused with heart or lung problems. So that's all about the back pain in this video. I hope you all liked it. I'll definitely come up with the next video with the another content. Till then, God bless you. Bye bye and take care.